Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ban pen pau perthai ka sap ka phong jeng samla puli ka Nift Shillong ka lapelong ya ka craft Bazaar ka ba arsngi ya ka wala pli pat ba the regional director jong ka Indian Council for Cultural Relations UN Muni Singh ublalong kum kongsan ringkat ka jing sakilang jong director ka Nift Shillong u Shankar Kumar Jha. How news nam ka Nift Shillong kala khot ngob haru ya ki arp san ngot kinong Shna Tiar kti ha ka ne ka yo ya die thien.
Illumination of knowledge, wisdom and prosperity over darkness, ignorance and evil.
Most important today's event is the artisans, weavers who came across all the northeast states. On behalf of Nift Shillong, I welcome you all in the premises of this St. Anthony Hall. As you know that the Craft Bazaar event is having their own importance in terms of the fusion of the students, those who are having the creative, innovative mindset, and the most important artisans, weavers, those who are having the legacy of the traditional skills from the years. So, the purpose of this Craft Bazaar is to give a common platform, interface to our students, to the artisans. They can interact, they can see how valuable products artisans, weavers are making nowadays. But sometimes they are not very happy that the labor, the effort that they are doing, they are not being encashed in that way. So, this kind of Craft Bazaar innovative idea is to make how the products, how the design of the existing products that the artisans are making, how it can be benefited, how can be enhanced. So now in the Nift is one of the leading design colleges. We have so many artistic way of promoting the skill, the products of the artisans, as well as how the products can be sell out into the different markets. So we have this year, we have invited almost 20-25 artisans from the different northeast states, and I think this particular venue will be a great venue in terms of the interaction with the students, our faculty members, as well as the armed public will come also to sell to buy the products, and you people will be benefited from this. This 2 days event, I think it will be a great success. Thank you very much.
really, important, and I believe that we should appreciate Nift for taking up such a wonderful step, spearheaded by Shankar Jhaji. This is really a wonderful initiative, and we should carry on this more ahead. In his speech also, he has mentioned about the innovative and creative idea of the youths today, the fashion today, and to culminate it with the traditional culture. This mixture of both is very important. You have to carry on your past and legacy forward to understand and to bring out the innovative ideas of the current world. So this mixture is, I believe, very important. इसी बात पे एक मेरे पुराने बॉस का बात याद आया, क्योंकि जो हमारा भारतीय सांस्कृतिक संबंध परिषद, my office, ICCR, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, under Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. The main motto of ICCR is, promoting the Indian culture abroad, to the rest of the world. This is our first mandated activity that ICCR does. So we have our headquarter office in a place called Azad Bhawan. Azad Bhawan is in New Delhi. ये आपका ITO करके एक जगह है, जिन्होंने दिल्ली गया होगा वो जानते होंगे ITO कहाँ है. It's not very far from इंडिया गेट. तो उसमें जो मेरे पुराने former boss ललित मान सिंह जी, ललित मान सिंह is an IFS officer, retired, and who is the husband of renowned dancer, Sonal Mansingh. So he said that we have chosen this office, ICCR, in such a place that it connects Purane Delhi, that is Old Delhi, and the New Delhi. जो ऑफिस का जो लोकेशन है, ऐसी जगह पे चूज किया जिसमें थोड़ा आगे जाएंगे तो आपको लाल किला और जमा मस्जिद and the Chandni Chowk, the olden days of Delhi would be in the right side, and in the left side you see Parliament House, Rashtrapati Bhavan, India Gate. So to get along and not to forget our past, and also to move ahead with the present scenario, that he gave the example which I really remember today with Jhaji's innovative idea to take along with the past, So this is really a very good initiative, and my sincere congratulations to the entire team. Northeast India is, varied with different culture, and I think it is a sea of opportunity for the young students, कि different tribes का जो culture है, color है, इनका artisans from coming from so many different places, so it gives you immense multiple idea to create something innovative, to create something new in your idea, Whereas it may not be that much a choice you may get in other places like Northeast. So this is really a wonderful thing. My advice would be any of the designer, any of the student, when you do something related with the culture of Northeast, try to know the in-depth knowledge of the particular community, particular culture. क्योंकि इसमें क्या होता है कि certain clothes, certain costumes are very much related to the way of life of certain community. Certain clothes, certain costumes are related to the rituals, and certain design are related to different occasions, you know. So if you can understand that and link up, it will be more, better, it will be more enhancing, you know. So ICCR, as I said, we keep on doing shows abroad, we keep on doing, promoting the Indian culture abroad. So one day, I believe, such kind of craft bazaar in collaboration with Nift Shillong, we can showcase in abroad in some country where we choose, maybe festival of Northeast India or culture of Northeast India, like that, where we can also showcase the craft, the food, the music, the dance, all under one roof. We have been doing that also, but then this time I will surely take the the collaboration from Nift Shillong. I will discuss with Jaji how it is possible, and maybe most of you designers and some of the students, we can promote their product also